You want to go check it out?
Sure.
Okay.
Now I'm interested.
All right. Well, let's go. So we're on Cicada Trail, and you can hear the cicadas in the trees, which might give that away. But it's great. It's beautiful here, very quiet, and we kind of lucked out because it's the middle of July and it's not 100 degrees. It's actually in the 80s, and it's not too bad out here. Definitely want to be prepared with some mosquito repellent and perhaps some light pants. I'm not sure that the shorts were a great idea for me today. However, so far so good. So we are in front of a collection of historical buildings, if you will. It's a pretty cool looking farmhouse, log house. I'm not sure what they're calling it, but then you have a couple of other little structures on the property, including a nice little kind of fire pit, cooking spit in the middle. Nonetheless, pretty cool. So I can post more information about this below if you want to know more.
This place is really nice. It's just to give you an idea of how Texans lived before they were overpopulating this area. Hope you guys really like this little walk. We can tell you there's tons of mosquitoes. I've probably applied 3 or 4 times already some bug spray, and it's just not working very well. Anyway, we're gonna continue looking around and see what else we see, and hopefully you will find this as exciting as we do.
So this is an interesting find. Dear Lord, please don't let anything jump out. Oh boy. Oh boy. This seems so sketchy. Like, this is something out of a bad, like, horror movie. I don't know. Seems like a good place to dump a body, because no one would ever find it. But I'm sure the animals around here love it. That's what we were walking on. And this is where we're headed. In the middle of the woods now. It's a little bit more of a nature hike than what we've been on. No complaints about what we've been on. It's been great. You can hear the cicadas singing. It's a nice walk though. We made it.
Finally.
We're about to the end of the trail. So, good walk, good wildlife,
Good pictures.
good pictures.
It was good to be around here.
Definitely. They did a great job of informing you of what's on the trail, where the trails start, where the trails end, and for the most part keeping it pretty clear as well from trees that have fallen or whatever. So, highly recommend.
Yes.
Now give us 2 thumbs up below. Thanks.
2, maybe 3. Just
or,
1.
Or 4, you know, whatever.
1 will be happy. Follow us and we'll keep you posted for the next video.
One thing you'll notice about me is that I'm kind of a recycle Nazi a little bit. Okay, I shouldn't say it that way. I'm a recycle type person, and I guess some might call me a tree hugger. I don't know. But this right here, that's not okay. So I'm going to pick that up so we can take it out of the park with us.